Morning, guys. Today we are focusing on electrotechnics N6. We are doing generation and supply of AC machines. The last topic N6. So we are focusing. Namhlanje we are focusing on i-pi method. I-pi method sibona ngani ngokuthi we have in ama capacitors ayi-2. Yabo ama-capacitors ayi-2. Bese if we are having i-T method, which means we are having capacitor A1. So umehluko between i-T method and i-pi method ukuthi i-pi method ama-capacitors wakhona are divided into 2 and they are equal. If you are given capacity 1, this one CT1 is equals to CT2, but they are divided into 2. You have to divide them before to total in XC. I hope as well. Then we are having a total resistance and what you call this thing inductance, or it's either it's an inductor, reactive inductor. So if it's a reactive, which means there's no need to calculate xn, or you just by looking by Ilonama SI units work, they will tell you which one I should do. If you are having a millihenry or something like this, then microfarads mangabe it's a capacitor. But namhlanje we are focusing on pi method. So I'm not going to do example wamanje, but I'm going to tell you how do they build formulas such that as you are from ascending, this is ascending part, then this is the receiving part. It receives ngapha, this one sends the current. I hope so one. So in this part sizoqala ngani nge-current. Remember ukuthi current ihamba kanjani? Ihamba ukuya le. So mayifika lapha izoyenzani? Izo-splitter. Mayifika lapha izo-splitter iye ngapha nangapha, which means IPS, it is equals to IC1. So we'll just say IC1 plus IP. It's a phase. That part is in a phase. So to IP, then this is to IC1. Then which means the parts layer we must ihlanganisa layer ama current okhona aya ngapha. So we are still having in IP here. IP. So IP, remember to IP it is equals to ubani because lapha yenzani iya split. So which means kuzoba nobani lapha kuzoba no IC2 no IPR, which means IP it is equals to IC2 plus IPR. And remember guys, if you are given if the statement doesn't state it is a phase when in terms of current and voltage, you must get rid of your connection. Remember, because the connection is either a star or a delta. If it's a delta, it's nakhona kunento zakhona. If it's a delta, nakhona kuzoba yilona. Athini sibhale ngapha. If it's a delta, you know ukuthi IL it is equals to square root 3 IP. Then if for a voltage they are equal. Basically, if it's a star kuzoba IL it is equals to IP, then VL it is equals to the square root of 3 VP. So you have to get rid. If it is not stated, you must get rid of this thing. Uzokhona ukuthi calculate everything in what? In phases. I hope that's one. So asiqhubeke here la. So in this part lena, so in this part when it comes to ama current, current oqala ozobunayo kuzoba, remember ukuthi you will be given something like apparent power, something that you will use to calculate IPS. And so after calculating IPS using apparent power or power yakho, remember apparent power is equals to V times I. But remember it is a three phase. So mago three phase, which means you will use square root 3. If it's a single phase, no square root 3. I hope so as well. But for Ilona power, it is equals to square root 3 VI cos theta. It depends which it's a sending or a receiving. That's when But for a voltage, for this case, if you have square root 3, which means if you have a square root 3, which means here we are having a line, and here we are having a line, and here still we are having a line current and line voltage. There's no need to faka ama-phases because mangabuna square root 3. But if you have converted and ufuna ukusebenzisa ama-phases kuphela, which means your S it is equals to 3 VP and IP. even nakulona naku power nakhona it is 3 VP IP cos theta. I hope sazwana. Which cos theta yakho it is what? It is a power factor. Power factor, you know, it plays a big role in electrotechnics. If you don't understand power factor, I don't know when I'm doing. So in this part again, they will be giving you in either of these two. It's either apparent power or in power. So first thing first, also to calculate it is your current. Then finding your current using a voltage that will be given, using the voltage that will be given on the statement, you will find I, which is about IPS. Because let's say we are using a star, we are focusing on a star. So IL is equals to IP, which means your current will be IPS lows from Lapaya. So after calculating, you will find IP using this both, because this one by judging by looking, these ones are parallel, which means when they are parallel, which means the voltage are equal. So you will use this voltage of VPS, which you will use this voltage. Remember umtholile IS using as number 1, it is equals to square root of 3 VL IL, bese ufind ubani IL, it is equals to S all over root 3 VL. I hope that's one. Root 3 VL. This is the formula to find in IS. But because we are focusing on a star, remember IL S, it is equals to IPS. It's a new statement. This statement, it is important because to show what are you working with. We are using to sevenza. So after that, number two, you'll calculate in. Remember lapha we are having this, then we will be given in voltage. Which voltage yako first thing in remember most of the time voltage we are given in VL, and the voltage it is simple because you have to change it to square root 3 all over, no, not all over, square root 3 multiplied by VP. Then your VP, it is equals to VL all over root 3. Then this you will be finding your voltage, which is about VPS. So after finding this thing, lento it's the basic thing like ngasho to number 1, but there's no need in these steps engibhalayo mina. Le into kumele uqale uyicalculate wena to convert everything into ama-phases. I hope that's what, to convert everything to ama-phases. Bese lokhu will help you ukuthi wenzeni uthole ubani IS, because IC1 it is equals to VPS all over ZC. ZC simthatha from kuphi laphaya, the impedance of this. To find the impedance, you have to calculate in XC. Remember XC nakhona it's a basic thing okumele uyenzeni we calculate, which is about XC, it is equals to 1 all over 2 pi FC. This is the formula for calculating XC. Then you find ZC, which here we don't have any resistance, which here na remember ukuthi ilona yethi ina kanje. So remember ukuthi formula ina kanje, then JXC. Bese we are having 0 minus JXC. JXC, then you change it to a polar, then you put it there. I hope that's one. I'm trying it ukuthi ngibreak kancane. I'm trying, but ngiyazama ukuthi ngibreak kancane such that you'll understand ukuthi lama steps lawo ngibhala la manje asukela kuphi, wasasa kuphi izinto zakhona, like all those stuffs. So masichubeka la, so umtholile abani IC wakho, so uyofuna abani manje IP. Remember ngithini i-aim ukuthi sithole bani IP, and IP is equals to IPS minus IC1. Why saying it's minus? Because remember IP S is equals to IP plus IC1. So which means we are manipulator, we are bringing this one ngapha, say transposer, which means we are having IP is equals to IPS minus 1 u-IC1. So which means lento le esizobe siyithole kuphi, esizobe siyithole laphaya. So masiqhubeka la lo sokubani unumber 3, masiqhubeka laphaya unumber 4, unumber 4 simthola kuphi? So since sesithole ilona unumber 4 laphaya, unumber 4 ukuthi sesitholile ini i-current. So sekumele sithole ini manje, i-voltage ehamba lapha. I-voltage ehamba lapha sizoyithola using which formula? Remember ukuthi lapha singibuyele laphaya we are having impedance which those numbers will be given from in statement sakho. So in this part of XL, it's either they will give you in an inductance or in a reactive. Ane mangithi reactive, which means I'm meaning ukuthi XL, mangithi inductance I'm meaning which L. So uzoyibona ngani, just ukuthi wena, to make it quick, just look at ama SI units work. If your SI unit says ukuthi L, I mean H, if it says H, which means it's an inductance. If it says ohms, which means it's an XL. I hope that's one. So in this part, in their part there, you will do in impedance ekhona. So their impedance zobani uZP because says mention ngobani le line leyana ngo P. So which means soba no R P lo laphayana plus uJXL. Plus uJXL, then you change it to in polar. After changing it to polar, we are looking for what manje? We are looking for voltage ehamba lapha ku-P. Then uVP, it is equals to IP multiplied by uZP. Then uZP, then you're multiplying by one uZP. After finding uZP, we are having in voltage ehamba laphaya, and we are having in voltage ehamba laphaya. I hope as well. So in this case, current ehamba ngapha ne current ehamba ngapha, they are not equal, but uCT1 wangapha no CT2 wangapha bayalingana. So the reason why current ehamba ngapha ne current ehamba ngapha zingalingani, it is because the voltage that is going here, it is equals to voltage ehamba laphaya. So the voltage that is going here, it is not equals to voltage ehamba laphaya, but it is equals to voltage ehamba laphaya. That means it will affect, or it will make a change ku ICT. I mean IC2. IC2. Then which means that's why ngithi ama voltage walaphayana awalingani. I-voltage ehamba lapha, I mean current ehamba lapha nale current ehamba lapha ayilingani. So in this case, in these cases, which means yomele siqale sifune ini i-current ehamba lapha, i-current ehamba lapha, but we cannot find the current because we cannot find the current kuqala, because we need the voltage ehamba lapha, which means we have to find in i-voltage ehamba lapha kuzoba ubani, sizoyithola kanjani? So bheka, in these cases, you are judging by in ama current. Remember, the current hala sizoba no IP, sizoba no ICT, sizoba nelona. So which means impedance hala we already remember ukuthi sesicalculate in manje, sesicalculate i-voltage ehamba laphaya. So which means masinayo i-voltage ehamba laphaya plus ne-voltage ehamba la, masihlanganisa lezi, they have to ukuthi basikhiphele ini i-voltage ehamba laphaya. I hope that's one. I-voltage ehamba la plus the voltage ehamba laphaya is must give you i-voltage ehamba laphaya. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi i-voltage, this voltage, le voltage le nale voltage le, they must give us this one. Don't mind me ngabo plus nana, just ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi mawulihlanganisa, I mean ukuthi mawulihlanganisa, not ukuthi a plus sign, I mean ukuthi mawulihlanganisa they must give you something. So which means here le voltage ehamba lapha ne voltage ehamba lapha ne voltage ehamba lapha, they must have a relationship. So in these cases, if voltage le with this and this mazihlangene, they must give you this voltage. So ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi uVC, which it is equals to uVC1, which it is equals to uVPS, which means this uVPS, it is equals to uVP plus uVPR. Ngamanye amagama into engichaza kuyisho, which means the step left ubani step number 5. uVPS it is equals to VP plus uVPR. Bese ke remember ukuthi sifuna bani uVPR. uVPR wethu it is equals to uVPS minus uVS. I mean uVP, which because we are transposing this one, then it will change the sign. I hope so as well. So which means this the statement list or this formula will help us to find in uVPR. but remember ukuthi u-VPR wethu, why ngithi u-VPR, remember ukuthi u-VC2 it is equals to u-VPR because they are parallel. So since are parallel kanje, which means ke kumele sithi wani u-VPR. After finding u-VPR, remember ukuthi in this case most of the time babuza ama-question ukuthi find u-IPS, find u-VPR, find u-IPR, find u-VPR, find the power factor. Yabo, so for at least like 13 marks in total. So in this case sesimtholile ubani u-VPR using ubani u-VC2. So sesifuna bani manje u-VPR, sesifuna u-IPR. So u-IPR we are having a voltage manje hamba lapha and there because these ones are equal. So which means layer u-VPR will help us to find u-IP or IC2. So which means u-VPR, which is equals to ubani u-VC, u-VPR it is equals to ubani, it is equals to u-IC2 multiplied by u-ZC2, as same as ZC2 it is equals to ubani u-ZC1 because remember ukuthi ngithini i-capacity lapha yalingana nalapha, so which means u-XL u-XC walapha u-XC1 no-XC2 bazolingana and we don't have ama-resistance, which means u-ZC1 it is equals to u-ZC2. I hope sazwana nalapha. So masichubeka we know ukuthi ubani u-IC2 it is equals to u-VPR all over u-ZC2, which is ubani step number 6 wethu loya, step number 6 wethu. So after finding ubani u-IC2, now sesingathola ubani manje u-IPR. U-IPR using ini i-addition layer. Remember ke masibuyela lapha ku-diagram yethu. Our diagram it says ukuthi u-IP uyo o-creator ini i-load lapha, uyo create i-load, then they do what, they split on that junction. So which means masichubeka lapha number 7 wethu it is equals to u-IP it is equals to u-IC2 plus u-IPR. So our IPR sizomthola ngobani using this formula, then our IPR it is equals to, because we are transposing this one ngapha, so we are having IPR minus ubani u-IC2. So it's like this. So I guess nothing is complicated. Mase elaborate kanje. So if you have any question, you feel free to ukuthi ungibuze on the comments, but anything I can show nje intonyana if nakhona if I have a mistake, even say it nakhona. So you know ukuthi la nala ziyalona. So enye into futhi engiyenza, we are conducting ama online classes. If you want to join, I'll show up a post la on the end of the video. If you want to join, feel free to contact me, then we will siqhubeke kanjalo. If ukuthandile ukubonile lana, shuthi ke kumele ushare nabangani bakho. Asibonge.